brand, and for the last 17 years, more than 19 million sets have been picked up here at QVC. And this one today, this is the Temp-tations 25-piece bakeware set. And when it comes to the perfect presentation for your holiday table and beyond, this is it.
This is it. And can we just talk about what an incredible value this is for 25 pieces? Absolutely. And this is retiring. So before I take you through it, I just want to give you that heads up. It has that teardrop shape. This is the foundation of the brand. This is where it all started, in our beautiful stoneware that you can prep in, you can cook in, you can serve in this, and you can store in this. 2.5 quart is going to be your largest teardrop shaped design. Rope detail on the sides, helper handles, drops down inside its wrought iron rack, and this is the system we call Temp-tations, taking it to and from the table. But we didn't stop there. We included your drip tray. Put this in, now you can do your meatloaf. You can steam your vegetables. So just by coordinating those two pieces, you now have multiple functions. Then we're also going to drop down inside there your 2-quart baker. We're going to drop down inside there your 1.5 quart baker. Just these three baking pieces alone are fantastic, but we also included your teardrop shaped bowls, your 1.5 quart and your 1 quart. We included 4 of your 8-ounce ramekins. We included 2 of your covered 16-ounce bakers. We included 5 of what we call our liddits. Don't know what a lidit is? It's actually the lid, it's the serving platter, it's the cutting board, it's the serving tray for on top of the baker and the trivet for underneath the baker. First time we've ever included liddits on all of our baking pieces. We included little measuring spoons, a tad, a dash, a pinch, and a drop, and we gave you 26 great recipes, almost a mini cookbook to get you started, and all the snap-on storage covers included. This buckle up. Unbelievable.
12 days of Christmas just turned into 25 days of Christmas.
I like it.
Now, listen, this is a set that more than 20,000 sets have already been picked up, but there are no more big sets coming before the holiday season. So if you're looking for the perfect gift, the comparable retail value on this set is $102.
Amazing.
We have it on a clearance price of $59.98, free shipping and handling, and 6 easy payments of $10. That free shipping and handling and 6 easy payments goes away at the end of the day. That's $2.39 per piece. Per piece, $2.39, and on free shipping, but we still have options for folks.
We have almost all of the options, which is incredible. Because we are retiring, because you will never see this again, we tried to bring in as many colors as we could, starting with your eggplant in your old world. The finial on the front of that baker is actually your flour. Here's your blue. If you are that European style collector, that's going to work perfectly. There's your brown.
130 remaining.
I'm sorry.
In that. No,
130?
130 in Old World Brown.
That is gone.
That's it. No
Here
more.
is your green, the color that started it all.
Gorgeous.
Next door to that, oh, look familiar? There's that spice.
My fave.
Someone's a little partial to spice.
230 remaining in that Old World spice.
There's your black.
250 remaining.
There's your red.
Gorgeous.
Cranberry.
Love.
And then I love that we have springfetti. We don't always carry that. That mixes and matches all of your pastels.
Love that one too.
And there's your confetti. That's what I collect. Mixes and matches all of what we call our core colors, your greens, your blues, and your eggplants.
Okay, because this is your everyday to holiday set.
Yes.
Take a look right here. Trying not to scream. Look how beautiful that is. So Old World is carved into your stoneware, and then the color saturated around it. There's your snowflake finial if you're picking up festive. There's your shamrock finial if you're picking up shamrock. That's cuteness overload. So if you want 25 pieces coordinated in your shamrock, love that. 250 in the shamrock.
Then we have your chocolate.
Beautiful.
Black.
4 dozen in that floral lace chocolate.
Okay.
The black in the floral lace, we have 300. Oh my gosh.
There's your cranberry.
Okay, gorgeous.
There's your red in your floral lace.
Perfect.
Here's your spice. That's that perfect autumnal color. You will get this in time for Thanksgiving, which is amazing. Imagine putting all of these pieces out there.
And there's only 180 remaining in that floral lace.
Here's your green.
200 remain.
There's your cobalt blue, always super popular. And if you're wondering if it's painted on the inside in the reverse, it is.
Gorgeous.
Here's your light blue, so a little bit more of a robin's egg blue.
100 remaining.
And here's your eggplant. That's that tone on tone, that grapey melted ice pop.
4 dozen remain in the eggplant.
Okay.
Now, this is a 25-piece bakeware set. Now, if you're saying, if I get another set of Temp-tations, somebody in this house is going to be so mad at me. But look at it this way. These are multiple gifts. And if you're watching an hour of Temp-tations for the first time, this is stoneware. So what you're seeing our friend Tara do come right from the oven. Don't let the beauty of the pieces fool you. They can absolutely handle what your kitchen has to throw at it. And when it comes to presenting a gorgeous table, It's also about reducing the amount of dishes that we're doing at the end
absolutely,
of the day.
and that's what Temptations is all about. It's literally about mixing in here, prepping in here, then putting it in your oven up to 500 degrees and cooking those beautiful scallop potatoes in here. Look how everything pulls right away from the sides. This is so incredible. If you've never tried Temptations, what a great starter set. If you've been loving Temptations, pick the pieces you want to incorporate and gift the rest.
Perfect.
This is such an incredible value that we're retiring. We will never do this set again. So prepping, cooking, serving, storing, the foundation of all of this brand that's been here for over 17 years is perfect in this set.
It's $2.39
It's incredible.
a piece. I mean, this clearance price. Now, typically, with a clearance price here at QVC, it means that there is no reorder plan. That's true here. And there are no more big sets
Coming in, that's right.
This is your holiday gift giving. By the way, go ahead and holiday shop now because your holiday return policy is in place here. If you have any issue, send it back to us by the end of January 2020. And so when it comes to, look at this holiday spread.
I love this, right? So we incorporated a 10-pound turkey on one of our serving platters. Now look what you did. You could have your vegetables that you steamed in the microwave. Remember, these pieces go in the microwave. You can have the pieces that you chilled ahead of time, and now you have your relish, and everybody can help themselves, and you have your gravy. So instead of getting out a traditional gravy boat, you now have 16 ounces of gravy.
What? Look at this teapot.
Did you see that? It was on earlier today. It's got a little pop here.
I love it.
And again, that's a little caramel sauce for that cake. If you've never baked in Temptations before, what I love about it is the fact that you can mix in here. You can then bake in here. Look at that even heating. Even heating all the way around, no hot spots, and virtually clean on the inside. But Temptations is all about color, it's all about your patterns, and it's all about picking and choosing what you want to add because we will never do this set again.
And more than 1,000 have already been ordered in our hour of Temptations tonight. By the way, that item number for the teapot was just on your screen. This is K47037. This is a 25-piece bakeware set in Old World and floral lace. Now, as you saw, we're already starting to get limited in our choices, and some of them are already gone. But this is every day to holiday, but that free shipping and 6 easy payments is gone at the end of the day today. Comparable retail, more than $100 for this set. We have it for less than $60. It's on free shipping and handling, and we have 6 easy payments of $10 as an option for you. Stop it with that.
Will you look at this?
Awesome.
This is what I think about when I think about capacity, but what I love about our square shapes is that it doesn't take up a lot of room from left to right. So you have your 2.5 quart with that lid it. You have your 2 quart with that lid it. You have your 1.5 quart with that lid it. You have your 1.5 quart bowl with that lid it. Your 1 quart with that lid it. You have 4 8-ounce Rammies. You have 2 covered 16 ounces. You have that drip tray in the bottom. You have that rack to bring everything to the table. You have a mini cookbook included with over 26 recipes, appetizers, desserts, starters. This is like, here's Temptations. Get the set at home, and you can literally start cooking forever.
This is our first ever free shipping weekend, and so every single item in our Temptations hour is on free shipping and handling now. We have updates.
I'm going to go
give.
slow.
We have updates. Oh, I'm not worried.
Okay, I was showing you the festive fetty as we were breaking the pieces apart. So that's your traditional Old World in the red and green. Hello, Tara. There we go. Focus. Okay.
There are 350 remaining.
Okay, got it. Then we go into our eggplant in our Old World.
300 remain.
Our blue in our Old World.
Available.
Our brown.
6 dozen remaining in brown.
Our green.
Good for there.
There we have our spice.
150 remain in spice.
Our black.
150.
Our red.
200.
Our cranberry.
300.
Our spring fetty.
Available.
And our confetti.
Also available.
Down in floral lace, that carved detail. There's your festive with the snowflake finial.
Oh, gosh, I love it. Final 300.
Here's your shamrock.
200 remain.
There's your chocolate.
2 dozen.
Whoop, chocolate, love you. There's your black. That's always a toile look. I love that.
200 remain there.
There's your cranberry, a little softer, more muted.
250 there.
Look at that gorgeous red. Ooh, and there's my hair. Look at that gorgeous red. Is that not beautiful?
Beautiful. There are 300 remaining in the floral lace red.
There's your spice.
5 dozen.
Here's our green.
100 remain there.
Always super popular. Do we have our cobalt blue?
400 remain there.
Our light blue.
2 dozen.
And last but not least, the eggplant.
Eggplant is sold out.
Oh, I love that we kicked off the show with this.
Remember, too, those 6 easy payments and the free shipping and handling are gone at the end of the day, and we're just getting started. Here's a little reminder of some things that we may have mentioned that we won't have time for a presentation. This is K49113. This is the utensil set, and these have wooden handles. They're silicone, perfect to use in all your non-stick. They are a phenomenal price. They're